KLS MARTIN, your partner for planning and realization of patient-specific processes. Loss of complex or extended bone structures due to trauma or tumor involves considerable physical and emotional stress for patients, while leaving the treating physician in uncertainties. Patient-specific implants can be an effective solution in this situation. Our hospital in Maastricht has been working with patient-specific implants for some time. The high degree of planning safety, the significantly shorter operating times, and the aesthetically and functionally superior results definitely justify the additional planning input that's initially required. Whether deep drawing, milling, turning, or machining, whether anatomical models or absorbable material in cleanroom technology, whether selective laser sintering or laser melting, the extraordinary diversity of requirements for an individual implant requires a supplier who combines everything under one roof.
The KLS MARTIN
Group has a decade's experience in the processing and remodeling of metals, plastics, and absorbable materials. These new additive manufacturing processes present us with opportunities that were not previously available to us. We can now produce individual implants that until now could not be produced in this way. With a novel selective laser melting process, the molecules of the titanium powder are fused together using a high-power laser. The result is a high-strength bond between the molecules while enabling the greatest possible freedom in the configuration of the surface. Once a layer is lasered, a spreader applies a new layer of titanium molecules that are again selectively lasered in the next step. This builds up a complex three-dimensional implant layer by layer. From receiving patient data, consultation, CAD-assisted design of the implant, production of a wide range of materials in ideal manufacturing conditions, right up to delivery of the implant validated by a quality assurance process. Only a manufacturer that can cover the complete process chain is able to meet the critical and diverse requirements of modern restorative surgery. The advantage of this manufacturing procedure is that compared to conventional procedures, problematic structures such as excess material or sharp edges are no longer a worry. Instead, we generate a rigid implant that can be inserted with precision. Yes, I'm very satisfied with the implant. The surgery was not stressful for me at all. I was walking through the hospital 2 hours after I woke up. I've not been restricted in any way, and everything looks like it did before. I've been given the chance to look the way I did before, and I'm no longer reminded of the accident. Implants, as diversified and individual as your case is. The main advantages are that we are now able to manufacture something within a realistic time frame that is not only tailored to a patient, but is also dimensionally stable and sterilizable, and which can finally be put into place like a lid on a pot with a perfect fit, while covering all the edges of the injury. This enables us to reconstruct even complex injuries to the skull with relatively little effort, while focusing on outcomes.